Excited? No. Pagupit kami, wala pa 10 minutes. Mura lang ng pinapagupitan namin. Ito na naman kami sa container store. Dollar Tree. For Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy!
Excited?
Hey, don't copy my thing.
Hello, good morning. Araw ng Sabado, February 10. Nandito na naman kami sa Lowe's. Kami ay magbibuild na naman. Yung mga suki ng Lowe's. Magbibuild kami. Sa mga bago sa channel namin, dito nga pala kami nagpupunta sa Lowe's. Every month, dinadala lang namin yung mga bata kasi nga meron sila dito. Libreng activities. No? Kung bago kayo sa Amerika, tapos very tight kayo sa budget, isang activity na pwede nyo gawin dito.
Here is your Junior Builder Pack.
Wow!
Yours also.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life.
Magpapagupit naman kami ni Jairus. Dito kami sa may bandang Pleasanton. Dito kami parati nagpapagupit. Go-grocery muna yung dalawa habang kami ni Jairus magpapagupit. Yun, dito kami. Yeah.
She went at the first one, you know, when she used the thing.
Tapos na kami magpagupit. Like, how long did it take? Like 5 minutes? Not even 10 minutes, huh?
No, definitely.
Pagupit kami, wala pa 10 minutes. Tapos na guys.
You know how they like comb your hair and then cut it?
Aha.
She took out like her hair face and she went
Like that? Ang bilis magupit. Dito kami hanapin namin si Amy. Hanapin namin yung dalawa nagsha-shopping. Mura lang ng pinapagupitan namin, $15. Murang-mura na yun guys. Tapos yun, nagitip na lang ako, $5. $5 kami sa $20 isa. Para lang nyo, mahal ang pagupit talaga dito. Usually, mga $35 to $50. Kung kayo masyado kayong picky sa pagpapagupit, baka hindi pumasa sa inyo itong pagupitan namin. Pero kasi sa akin, ano lang, hindi naman ako maselan. Tsaka ang gusto ko lang komportable. Yung tipong hindi nangangati yung bato ko kasi nga sobrang haba na ng buhok ko. Lalo na si Jairus, minsan ako nga lang nagugupit sa kanya. Ah, mahal ba? Mamahalan daw si Amy. Ano gusto mo?
Hindi, ito, ano to? Ito 9. Ito 11.
Okay na. Keepers, okay. Mamahalan daw si Amy. Sabi ko, okay na. Biyaman, dito na kami.
Kasi tingnan mo yung iba lang. Pares. Tingnan mo
most
itong iba.
favorite is this one.
Oo, mahal. Mas mura pa sa Costco, no? Yun nga lang, bibili ka ng bulbs. Kaya pinapamili namin. Mamahalan si Amy dito.
Let's do my
pumunta
favorite.
ng ibang tindahan. Kaya sabi ko, dito na kami, sayang yung oras. Mas mahal ang oras kaysa sa few dollars na masisave. So yun, tapos na tayo sa Lowe's, nagpa-haircut, nag-grocery ka na, di na tayo magwiwingko. Punta na kami sa container store. Ilalagay naming desk doon sa may formal dining area namin dati. Kasi umorder ako online, tapos pipick upin na namin siya ngayon. Ito na naman kami sa container store. Pipick up lang kami guys. Ay naman kami guys. Gutom na yung mga bata. Let's go! Excited mag-dollar tree kasi binigyan ko sila ng budget dito. Bibili sila ng laruan. How much your budget, Jairus? $5 sila. Pwede silang mamili ng gusto nila. Candy agad. Okay guys, you have to use your $5 wisely, okay?
Okay.
Nakakuha ng dalawang to for $5.
Now I got some peace of
Meron nakuha si Asya. Actually, puro $1.25 na yun. $1.25. Wala na parang piso-piso dito.
Can't believe that I was so blown.
All of this is $1.
Guys, comment down below. What is this with pink caps? Honestly, I don't care what you think.
You're gonna need this when you eat that.
Exactly. I buy toothpaste. I like this challenge.
The $5 challenge.
Yeah, the $5. I like this. This is fun.
And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forgive? Forget it. All because of you. It'll be
Yun nasa $5. Ayun.
the Gabby Dollhouse puzzle.
Puzzle.
And this.
Ang galing. Are you happy?
Yes.
It's my turn.
Ikaw naman. Ano nabili mo sa $5?
Haribo.
Haribo.
Gum.
Oh my God. Hello, cavities.
More gum.
Aha.
And putty.
Yay! Tig-apat sila. $1.25 na kasi bawat isa eh. Nila ng
$1.
Be unhealthy for that.
Oh, unhealthy raw yung binili mo, Jairus.
But you have peeps, so that's unhealthy.
Enjoy ba ang shopping? Yeah. How about you? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Once in a life.
It's a one in a lifetime opportunity. Guys, sa bahay, ito. Asya, ito yung nabili niya sa $3. Excited na, binubuo niya na. Let me see, what is this? Do you help?
This is my favorite. No.
This is your favorite?
Yeah, this is my favorite. This is favorite.
Okay. Wow!
How many minutes that took?
I think it took you like 10 minutes. Good job. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ayun, nandito po tayo sa backyard. Medyo malapit na yung spring dito sa lugar namin. Medyo umiinit na rin yung panahon. Medyo nag-ready-ready na kaming mag-ayos-ayos sa garden. Ito nga pala yung puno ng ubas namin. 2 years na siyang nakatanim dito. And nag-expect ako sana ngayong taon ay magbunga na siya ng maraming grapes para naman masiyahan kami kasi pag di pa talaga siya namunga ngayon, puputulin ko na talaga siya. Tututusin nga diabetic pa ako, bawal sa akin to, pero yun para sa mga bata kasi sobrang hilig nilang kumain ng ubas. Dito kami sa Safeway. Bili kami regalo kay Asya. Mahilig kasi sa pink si Asya.
She bought pink cotton candy peep at Dollar Tree.
For Valentine's. Kailangan meron din daw siyang regalo. Yun ang gusto niya. Paborito niya to eh.
This is 6.6 ounces. You remember, right? The 6 ounces and it's $7 for 2. But this is 27.3 ounces and it's only 9.
Oh, makwenta. So you rather get the big one?
Yeah.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Let's go.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy!
I did a lot of bad things.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Never did I give in. Just cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never
Naku, gusto ng bebe ko. Oh.
till you entered.
Hindi mahilig si Asya sa bulaklak eh. Actually si ito mahilig pero ayaw niyang bumili ng bulaklak, sayang daw. Ito. Ayun no, gustong gusto niya. Happy Valentine's!
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took